Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Tankless Water Heaters Gas. Number 1. Rinnai Tankless Water. Experience endless hot water with this innovative tankless gas water heater, designed for ultimate flexibility and efficiency. Its compact size, comparable to a small suitcase, makes it perfect for indoor or outdoor installations, thanks to its versatile venting system and compatibility with propane or natural gas. With the ability to provide up to 11.1 GPM, this water heater can easily power multiple fixtures simultaneously, ensuring you never run out of hot water, even during peak usage. Engineered for efficiency, its ultra-high UEF of 0.98 ensures optimal energy savings, while the sleek design features an intuitive interface and a quick flush option for easy maintenance. The integrated Smart Circ technology learns your household's water usage patterns, intelligently scheduling recirculation to deliver hot water precisely when needed, reducing waste and enhancing convenience. For added control, pair it with an optional Wi-Fi module to manage settings remotely. Installation by a professional technician is strongly recommended to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Use the accompanying app for setup, troubleshooting, and ongoing service support. This water heater redefines convenience, efficiency, and reliability, making it a perfect choice for modern homes. Number 2. Rinnai Water Heater. Enjoy endless hot water with this advanced tankless gas water heater, designed for unmatched flexibility and efficiency. Compact and lightweight, it fits seamlessly into your home and can be installed indoors or outdoors, offering unparalleled convenience. A versatile venting system and SmartSense gas control ensure compatibility with both propane and natural gas, making it adaptable to your energy needs. For outdoor installation, a specialized vent cap is required. This high-performance unit delivers up to 11.1 gallons per minute, enabling it to support up to 7 fixtures simultaneously. Its energy-efficient design boasts an impressive UEF of 0.98, helping you save on energy costs without compromising performance. User-friendly features include a quick flush function for simplified maintenance and the option to add Wi-Fi control for remote operation. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure optimal functionality. A built-in app provides step-by-step assistance for setup, servicing, and troubleshooting. This tankless water heater also features intelligent recirculation technology that learns your water usage habits, scheduling heating cycles to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Whether for a large household or a smaller home, this compact powerhouse guarantees hot water whenever you need it. Number 3. Rheem High Efficiency. Enjoy continuous hot water and unmatched comfort with this advanced tankless water heater, designed to meet the demands of your entire household. Whether you're running multiple applications, such as a shower and dishwasher, you'll never have to worry about running out of hot water. Its innovative hot start programming ensures consistent temperature delivery, eliminating those uncomfortable cold water bursts for a seamless experience. Engineered for efficiency, this water heater operates only when needed, reducing energy consumption and helping you save on utility bills. Additionally, its water-saving setting conserves up to 1,100 gallons annually, making it an eco-friendly choice for any home. The compact design is 19% smaller and 22% lighter than previous models, allowing for easy installation and saving valuable space. Ideal for modern households, this system combines high performance with thoughtful design. It supports consistent comfort without compromising efficiency, making it perfect for both small homes and larger families. With a focus on sustainability, convenience, and reliability, this water heater is a smart upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their home's hot water system while saving space, energy, and resources. Number 4. Ranein Water Heater. Experience efficient and reliable hot water delivery with this advanced tankless water heater, designed to meet the diverse needs of a modern household. Boasting a heating capacity of 100,000 BTU and a flow rate of 4.3 gallons per minute, it provides continuous hot water for 2-3 supply points, making it ideal for your bathroom, kitchen, or bar area. Say goodbye to preheating delays, as this on-demand system delivers hot water instantly whenever needed. Enhanced with innovative features, it offers a 4-seasons function that adjusts water temperature based on seasonal changes, ensuring optimal comfort year-round. The kitchen function provides a default temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit for culinary needs, while the bathtub function allows customizable water output with a reminder when the set volume is reached. These features cater to various household requirements effortlessly. Engineered for cost efficiency, the unit includes an exhaust pipe, eliminating the need for additional purchases. Its oxygen-free copper tank minimizes heat loss and energy consumption, lowering utility costs. Designed for easy integration, it supports standard 1/2 NPT fittings. Installation by licensed professionals is recommended, ensuring compliance with local regulations. This water heater is not suitable for locations above 2,000 feet elevation. Number 5. Rheem Natural Gas. Enjoy efficient, reliable hot water with this versatile tankless water heater, designed to meet the needs of modern households. With a flow rate ranging from 0.4 to 9.5 gallons per minute, it delivers consistent hot water for a variety of applications, from low-demand uses to multiple fixtures operating simultaneously. The available temperature settings span from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with a convenient default setting of 120 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring comfort and adaptability for your home's unique needs. Equipped with an electric ignition system, it offers a seamless start-up process, enhancing both energy efficiency and ease of use. The compact design, measuring just 17 and 11/16 inches in width, allows for flexible installation in tight spaces, making it an excellent choice for homes where space is at a premium. Backed by comprehensive manufacturer warranties, including 1-year labor coverage, a 15-year heat exchanger warranty, and 5-year parts protection, this unit offers peace of mind and long-term durability. Ideal for those seeking a high-performance, energy-efficient solution, this water heater combines advanced functionality with robust reliability, ensuring a steady supply of hot water for years to come. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.